Hello everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. And in this video you will see how to crochet simple cute flower. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. For the foundation ring, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. So my foundation ring is ready. Make 6 single crochet into the ring. Make a chain. Make single crochet. And I will remove a long piece of yarn. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet a round of petals. For the first petal, chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, make 3 treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Continue. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the 3 stitches like this, pull up a loop to the level of the chain like this. So it is going to be my string 1. In total it should be 5 of them. I'm done the first time. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops till you will get 1 loop on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have at this point, I just need continue. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make slip stitch. So my picot is ready. I will move down. I just need to reach my ring. Make slip stitches from the top to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm done the first one and I will crochet the second, and you should continue working by yourself. 1, 2, 3 chains and make 3 treble crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over the hook and make strings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops and make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. My second petal is ready. In total it should be 6 petals. I'm done 2 of them, you should crochet 4 more. I'm about to complete this flower. Once I have done the last petal, insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before and make a slip stitch. I already cut off my yarn to secure the yarn by making a chain. And pull it. I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work using sewing needle or crochet hook. And let's stop and look. Here what I have at this point. So my cute 6 petal flower is ready. For this project you can use variegated yarn, one color of yarn, or leftovers. For this project you just need to know how to work with basic stitches. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my flowers. It is very easy and fast to make. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can use it in lace project, or it could be part of composition, or it could be like a separate motif. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this flower. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and bye.